For years, 2.5D packaging has redefined integration by bringing chiplets together with more flexibility and scalability. But compute demands are growing. Bandwidth is a bottleneck and latency has become mission critical. To keep pace with tomorrow's compute demands, it's time to move beyond planar. It's time to think in 3D. Hi, my name is Archana Cheruliyil and I'm a Principal Product Marketing Manager here at AlphaWave Semi. Today, I'm excited to introduce AlphaWave's 3D I/O capabilities and why you should partner with us to build your next-generation XPUs. As AI models grow increasingly complex, traditional scaling methods like Moore's Law are no longer sufficient to meet the soaring demands of performance, power efficiency, and memory bandwidth. In conventional planar designs, communication between chips occurs at the perimeter or shoreline, which is limited by the available edge space. This restricts how much bandwidth and functionality can be integrated within a single package footprint. Moreover, monolithic die performance has maxed out as die hit reticle limits. To break through these barriers, the industry is shifting toward advanced packaging solution by either expanding silicon horizontally on the package or stacking die vertically. 3D die stacking offers a compelling path forward for better bandwidth density and power efficiency. In a face-to-face stacked configuration, the two die come together to short, direct hybrid bond interconnects with bump pitch as low as 6 microns. These I/O pathways enable dense routing between the die to achieve low latency and reliable connections with spectacular signal integrity. A prime example is to stack SRAM directly on top of compute logic to maximize bandwidth for memory-intensive workloads. AlphaWave recently announced the availability of our 3D I/O IP in a face-to-face configuration. Our UCIe 3D IP provides up to 10 times improvement in power efficiency and up to 5 times higher signal density over traditional die-to-die interfaces. AlphaWave's 3D I/O portfolio also includes our proprietary design flow and methodology for fast and efficient construction and verification of the 3D stack. Implementing a complex 5.5D system is not without its hurdles. The key to successful chiplet-based designs is a low-latency, low-power interconnect between tiles. This allows the whole system to perform as a single chip, whether it be two die talking through a 2.5D interposer or two die stacked in a 3D configuration. Here at AlphaWave, we have developed a full suite of leading-edge UCIe IP subsystems with TSV for 2.5D and 3D form factors. Another growing challenge in advanced packaging is thermal regulation, a problem that's exacerbated in 3D stack designs. That's why we are working closely with our EDA partners to enable early-stage design and verification of power delivery and thermal management, ensuring reliable, high-performance 3D IC systems from the ground up. Ultimately, AI breakthroughs are made possible by hardware, and its progress is limited by hardware. It's not just an evolution in packaging that's required, it's a fundamental shift in how performance is built. At AlphaWave, we are embracing this future with proven 3D IC integration solutions ready to power the next wave of AI acceleration. Please contact us to learn more about our 3D I/O portfolio. Thank you for your time.